ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच असंयदात्मना योगः दुष्प्राप इति मे मतिः वस्यात्मना तु यतता शक्यो वाप्तुमुपायतः। Sixth chapter, 36th sloka. So Bhagavan Krishna answering to Arjuna's the big doubt. My mind is restless. With restless mind, I am not in a position to do nididhyasanam for long hours. So it is very difficult for me. I am not able to do. Please tell me an idea. So Bhagavan Krishna, before this 35th sloka, he told detachment totally from worldly affairs, vairagyam and abhyasam. Here Bhagavan Krishna further he says, I do understand your points are very valid. With agitated mind, restless mind, unbalanced mind, uncalm mind, it is very difficult to restrain it. It is very difficult to control it. It is very difficult to direct it. It is very difficult to request or command or order the mind to focus on oneness. I do understand it is very difficult. But who have agitated mind, for them it is difficult. Who has balanced mind with totally detached from attachment, with vairagyam, with vivekam, with abhyasam, with sincere effort, continuous effort, everything is possible. This nididhyasanam also possible. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So my dear Arjuna, please listen. You have to totally detach from the external world. You should have vivekam, which is good, which is not good. What are the things you need to do nididhyasanam? That viveka, discriminating power, you should know. Then vairagyam. You should make a strong sankalpa that I have to do nididhyasanam perfectly prescribed in the shastras and advices from the acharyas and guru. Then abhyasam. Repeatedly, continuously, firmly, strongly, you have to do the nididhyasanam again and again and again and again. These are all the way to make nididhyasanam possible. Arjuna's question was, it may be possible, but I am not able to do. It is very difficult for me because of agitated mind. Bhagavan Krishna says, I do understand that. It may be difficult, but it is possible. Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says, to whom it is difficult? With agitated mind. With balanced mind, it is quite easy. With balanced mind people, detachment from the worldly affairs, vivekam, vairagyam, abhyasam, all is possible. Everything will come in line. For them it is easy. So that is the one and only way. You have to establish yourself. You have to detach from worldly affairs. You have to have vivekam, you have to have vairagyam, and you have to have abhyasam. That is the only way. There is no shortcut, my dear Arjuna. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 37th sloka, what he says. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.